Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're focusing on online privacy and secure internet access, and I'll show you a simple yet effective method to enhance your digital protection. We're going to set up a custom VPN using the Dark Tunnel VPN app and a ShadowSocks server, a secure method that helps protect your online activity and keep your data private. Step 1. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for Dark Tunnel VPN and install the app. This will be our main tool for creating a secure tunnel between your phone and the internet. Step 2. Next, open any web browser like Chrome and search for UDP Custom. Go to the official UDP Custom website. Once there, tap the menu icon and select SS Servers. Choose a server location that suits you best. Then, click Create, solve the CAPTCHA, and tap Generate. Now copy the server address, port, and password. You'll need these in the next step. Step 3. Now go back to the Dark Tunnel VPN app. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, select tunnel type, and choose ShadowSocks. Paste the server details you copied earlier into the appropriate fields: server address, port, password. This links your app to the ShadowSocks server you created. Step 4. If you want extra customization, go back to the menu and tap on ShadowSocks Settings. From here, you can configure network options like TLS, SNI, and more, great for advanced users who want tighter control over their connection security. Step 5. Once everything is set, tap the Connect button. That's it. You now have a secure VPN connection using Dark Tunnel VPN and your custom ShadowSocks server. This method helps protect your personal information, hide your IP, and boost your privacy when browsing or using public Wi-Fi. Closing tips and reminders. Keep in mind that while VPNs improve privacy, they are not a complete solution. Always keep your apps updated and follow safe browsing practices. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.